welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to talk about RAP versus CAP. Which should you learn first? So I'm not going to debate RAP is big thing or CAP is big thing. Okay. So based on your experiences, whether you are or you might be working on our backend projects or maybe a UFI developer, so I'm going to suggest which path could be easy for you, right? Whether you want to go with RAP or CAP, anyone you should at least learn any one of this framework. It would be good if you learn both. So in this particular video, I have just separated two categories. One is ABAP, backend developers, what they should learn first, and second is for the UFI developer, what they should learn first. Okay. So basically, these are the two technologies which is still exists and from the long period of time. Uh, so I thought like I should most of the developers would be fall under these two categories. So I thought I should give a proper guidance. So I would like to start with the ABAP developers. Okay. Okay. Perfect. So let's say you are on ABAP for more than 5+ years of experience, who has a lot of experiences in VCC projects, right? So, so if you're into this uh, particular situations and you're wondering like what should I learn first, because everything is a cloud now and you wanted to learn cloud technologies, which is most demand by the market, right? So I would first suggest for the Arappers, those who have 5+ years of experiences, just try to start learn the rap as a first step. Okay, why? Because due to this uh, PCC deadline, right, by 2027, uh, that there is going to be a lot of upgrade or conversion projects would be happen. Okay, so people will be from ECCs, they would be moving to the S/4HANA on-premise systems or a cloud or private cloud systems. Okay, so working on this on-premise or private cloud, your core ABAP knowledge is still going to be relevant, but at the same time, we need to learn the additional things. Okay, why? Because it we won't be much sure that always we are going to get a on-premise system, S/4HANA on-premise system projects, right? So we might get cloud projects as well, where you need to follow the clean core principles, right? So in this clean core, let's say if you get a S/4HANA cloud projects and if you are writing a AC38 report, then it is not a clean core at all, right? So you will have to first understand what is clean core and all those things, and also like main thing is like you need to create an application which is RAP friendly. Okay, usually we if we want to expose data, right, from ECC system, we probably create a API, or maybe we would be creating a core data service if the particular system supports, right? For our developers, I hope it is clear for you. If not, just let me know in the comments. Okay. Second category, right? Good amount of knowledge in the SAP Fiori side. I have seen people more than like 10 years of experience with the SAP Fiori, technologies. So a lot of people, in the LinkedIn ask me, see, ask me, I have this much experience in the UI, SAP UFI, and should I learn about what become a full stack application? My answer would be a no. Okay. Why? Because for a complete SAP UFI developer, right, and if they don't have a about knowledge at all, it is very hard for them to work on the backend side. Okay, it seems a little easy from the outside, but for those who are starting ABAP, it's a really very difficult until they are put into the very good projects, right? So that they will get a lot of exposure. But I would suggest a different way for the pure SAP UFI developer. Okay, I'm just talking about pure SAP UFI developer without any ABAP knowledge in it. Okay, I will come back to those mixed experiences later. Okay, so let's say you are UFI developer for 7+ years or something, or maybe you have some other UI5 framework skills like React, JS, Angular, Vue. So these frameworks also, you have experiences and you would like to contribute some kind of a SAP projects, right? So then you should choose a you should first learn CAP framework first. Okay. So before that, you need to know what is SAP BTP. Okay. So for most of the UEFI developer, uh, they they always work with S4HANA as a backend, like I mean on-premise systems as a backend, right? So they won't get a much knowledge on the cloud technologies, right? So, for example, you would be creating or UEFI applications and deploying to the ECC backend systems or S4HANA backend systems. So that's how your most part of the work would be that, right? But I would suggest start learning SAP BTP side, how the DevOps process works, how it is different than deploying as a BSP applications. So you should know the difference, start learning this, because this is what is going to be a in future. Yeah, definitely we are moving to the cloud, and this is the new way we would be doing it, right? For the UFI applications, right? As you have already the JavaScript knowledge, right? So convert your JavaScript knowledge to the uh, Node.js knowledge. Okay, it's both a JavaScript, but Node.js would work on the backend side. It helps to create RESTful, REST API applications from the backend. It helps to create a microservices based applications. So first, don't if you don't have any ABAP experiences, so don't try to learn it. Instead, you try to learn the Node.js. Just learn the basics part. Okay, using Express.js, how we can create a REST APIs, and try to consume it in the UI end. Okay, you can use the SAP UI. Okay, so once you are very good at it, then you can start learning the cloud application programming model with Node.js version. Okay, so there are two versions in the CAP. There are two. One is Java, one is Node.js so far. So I would recommend always go with Node.js. Okay, this is the way for a pure SAP UEFI developer, right? What you're going to do first, you're going to learn the SAP BTP basics DevOps things, right? And then convert your JavaScript knowledge to the Node.js. Very basic knowledge is enough for to learn the RAV CAP. So once you have done that, then you go with the CAP. So here the programming model is little different compared to the Node.js. It's going to be a CDS based data definitions, but in the Node.js we don't do that. So that's few differences will be that. But anyway, the logic we implement is with JavaScript or TypeScript, right? So yeah, so for pure UI developers, so this if you if you want to learn a complete full stack, like don't go with ABAP, just go with this CAP framework. Okay, but for few developers, some people have a good experience in ABAP, for example 5+ in ABAP or in the 5+ in UIFM, right? So for these people, okay, if they want to learn, they can learn CAP also, but what they should do first is learn the RAP, because as they have a very basic knowledge in the ABAP, so I would recommend go with the RAP, right? And slowly you try to learn the CAP as well. So my ultimate advice, recommendation is something, learn both things, RAP and CAP. Okay, so in the market, if something needs a very, we doesn't know when something is goes to, right? I could see lot of the RAP lot of RAP questions is getting open. Okay, so for this so there are, I would say for now the demand is for the RAP. Okay, but maybe I don't know, like due to this migration projects or something, there are a lot of RAP developers are required, I guess. But in the long run, I would expect CAP is going to be a takeover for the SAP technology. That's what I see. That's why I always suggest learn both. Okay, and based on the market, you can choose market demand. You can choose whatever you want, right? So yeah, so that's all from my side in this video. Like if you have any questions, please drop a comment. And yeah, have a nice day. Bye bye.